But it's been an absolute pleasure, and it's great to have both of them and to be a part of both these songs.
Lovely.
Shahid, tell me something. Abhi, you were telling, you were saying something about chemistry, na? I loved what you said about chemistry.
This सब बातें बताने वाली थोड़ी होती है, पागल हो गई है.
आपको कुछ केमिस्ट्री के बारे
But
में
if you
पता
have to define chemistry and chemistry,
This is like with Rashmika, it's my first film, but it never felt like it was our first film. I honestly, whenever we got into any shot, we never even discussed what we're gonna do.
yeah.
And I loved the fact that she was all up for spontaneity, and we just had a lot of fun. And that doesn't happen every time. So I'm really happy that we just went for it and we did whatever we did, and it was amazing to share screen space with you.
No, I fully agree. Yeah, like every time we were working on a scene together, somehow spontaneously we would just come up with, you know, after takes there'll be one extra tichka that we give, and we didn't even see it coming. We don't even rehearse it. It just comes, and that's what the chemistry was. Like magical, and thank you,
But
Shahid.
I have
You're
to
the
say,
best.
I have to say, because I was not there when you guys shot the song, obviously. I think you guys have such cute chemistry. It is adorable. The way, and I'm seeing you guys also like on screen for the first time together. Guys, how did you like that chemistry? Wasn't
Amazing.
it super cute?
Too good.
ये कौन है जिसने बोला I love it?
love it.
Huh?
No, but seriously, guys, like we have definitely known for a while that you guys have something magical, the two of you. But something in Cocktail 2 is just so different. You look hot, that the world knows, and you are fucking hot. Oh, sorry. No! Censor, I didn't say
एक
that. I didn't
शब्द
say
बोला
that.
था जो नहीं बोलना है.
Sorry. She is
चलेगा,
amazing.
चलेगा.
Like, look at her. Okay, I shouldn't.
Oh,
It's just
look
too
at
much
that.
love happening. It's just too much love happening, and we know the chemistry that Shahid and Kriti have shared. But something in Cocktail 2 is just so different, so magical. And when we saw Mashuka, we got a glimpse of it, and I just know that this is just the tip of the iceberg. I'm just so excited to see what's in store more, because every scene that I've heard of, it's just spectacular, and Homester has killed it, and he's yawning right now. He's just like,
He's lost a lens. Homie, come on, yeah. You have to come on stage. Arey, you have to come on stage. Are you crazy? No. People have to know the voice of this crazy guy. Guys, come on.
Yes.
The OG Cocktail director.
that's true.
अच्छा जिसने दोनों गाने बनाए उनसे तो पूछते हैं उसको कौन सा गाना
Give it up for
चाहिए
Pritam Da. Ladies and gentlemen, the genius.
To relieve me of this,
Mic is all yours.
oh my God, my.
Dada, choose which song.
Da.
I want to tell you all, Dada first time has delivered both songs on time. It was exactly 2 minutes before the event started.
Chal, so Pritam, you want
Dada, which song you want to launch?
Mashuka or Tujhko?
Let's see everybody what everybody loves.
Okay, Mashuka. And Tujhko. It sounds pretty much the same. Yeah?
Homie, why don't we
दिखा
do
दिया. Dada's like गाना दिखा दिया. Okay, guys, before we get into which song, this film would have not been possible if Love Ranjan wasn't here.
Woo!
He's the
Big round
one
of applause for
who's-
Love Ranjan, yes.
So actually, he knows who he ends up with. He's the only one. So
Even
let's
we don't know.
Ask him.
We've shot the film, but we don't know who they end up with.
So
You know,
which?
you are shooting it, right? वो तो नहीं बता सकते ना कि who he ends up with. हाँ?
नहीं, वो नहीं बता सकते, बट आप
वो नहीं
गाना
बता
चूज कर लो ना. आपको कौन सा गाना बेटर लग रहा है?
मैं क्यों चूज करूं यार? ये लोग चूज करेंगे.
Jania, yes.
Hi,
Keep it
man.
going. Hello, hi, homie. Hello, hi. Give it up. Give it up for Love Ranjan, the writer of this film. Yes, the writer and producer. Give it up for Ankur Garg. Yes, guys, come on. Give it up for Pritam Da. Come on, guys, come on. Yes, yes, yes. Hello, sir. Hello, hello. Hi. Hi, hi. Please come, sir. Please come. Hello. Please, please give it up. Yes, Pritam Da is here. Yes, okay. Get up for Dinu. Guys, come on. Balok ke event pe aaye ho. You have to give it up for Dinu. We got to call Tarun? Okay, big applause, please. Let's welcome Tarun on stage. Tarun, please come. Please come. And let's welcome Kriti, Shahid, and Rashmika. Guys, come on. Guys, तालियां तो दबा जाओ यार. Come on यार. कैमरा पे तालियां भी आएंगे ना. Keep it going, guys. Come on. Yes.
Come, y'all come. Y'all come.
Okay. Guys, this is the team behind Cocktail 2. Shahid. Shahid, can I ask you a question? Could we, while the votes are being counted, now you have two beautiful co-actresses. आप chemistry के बारे में बात कर रहे थे. Who do you have a better chemistry with, as per your opinion?
I think Rashmika and Kriti have amazing chemistry.
Right. Right.
Although they have not so many scenes without me, so maybe
Okay.
I'm the reason why they have the amazing chemistry. It passes from one to me to the other and then back, and we're just flowing in
Amazing.
that soup of chemistry. That's what
Okay.
Cocktail 2 is all about.
Soup starter होता है. We are not here about soup. So here for cocktail.
Main
Yeah.
course के लिए ticket लगता है.
Let's go. Okay. Okay. Pritam Da. Hello, sir. Hello, sir. How is it going? Sir, can we give you a mic? Yeah. Sir, you have brought so many songs to life in people's love playlists, right? And this is all you. Now, in these two songs, which is closer to your heart?
Yeah, every kid of mine is important to me.
Oh, ho, ho.
So
Diplomatic parent.
this is not diplomatic.
No.
अभी मेरा full life में when any song releases, they are as important to me. जो गाना flop हो जाता है, they become very important to me. और जो hit हो जाता है वो तो ठीक है, लोगों को अच्छा लगा तो
Correct.
हुनहार बच्चा है तो वो
Right.
अच्छा निकल गया.
Okay.
जो अच्छा गाना है और जो उतना काम नहीं करता, they are really dear to me.
Right. So, Abhi, sir,
I hope.
Their song in this album.
Yeah, so that's what I'm saying. For when it comes to everybody, I don't think there should be any song which is dear to me. So
that you have no favorites. Okay. Big round of applause for Pritam Da one more time. Yes. Okay, now in the spirit of sportsmanship, now I will ask Rashmika to say good things about Mashuka. No, about the first song, about Mashuka.
But
Nee, good. Rashmika to say good things about the first song,
yeah,
Kriti's song.
I will say any which way.
You will say-
no goodness of the heart and all facts.
No, yeah. So I'm saying, Abhi, now we are here. We are voting for two. We're voting for yours. We're voting for yours, right? हाँ. तो आपको माशुका गाना क्यों पसंद है?
Because of the music, because of these two wonderful, stunning people. I'm not going to say fucking anymore. Yes, sorry. Because of these stunning people.
Right.
And
No
because
spoilers.
Of, huh?
No spoilers.
No spoilers. Of course,
No,
no
no,
spoilers.
no.
I'm the most secretive person you can find.
Yeah.
Hopefully.
हाँ.
And Homester has just created magic with this film.
Right.
I think Homester has to speak about the magic of Mashuka.
Yes. Of course.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah, homie.
Okay, I'll tell you something about Mashuka. We actually, I don't think Shahid and Kriti ever knew when we were shooting Mashuka. And I think that's why it really worked out, because they just got into a car, drove around the beautiful roads of Sicily and didn't know when we were rolling the camera and when we were not rolling the camera. And I think when you watch it, you see a lot of just them being them and just having a blast. And yeah, so I guess the chemistry is pretty organic and not acted out. You guys are pretty,
What's the difference?
pretty sexy.
between-
Pretty
And-
sexy.
and-
Now, I've got a question. What's the difference between Cocktail 1 and Cocktail 2?
Yeah.
Woo! Cocktail 1 and Cocktail 2, I think, shit, I know this is going to just go down badly, so I'm going to just avoid saying anything.
But
But I
if-
think there is a story in Cocktail 2, which helps it.
So love.
Love, yeah. Love's written a story this time.
homie, if they have to choose one song, you have to choose one of the two films. If they have to choose one song out of the two, you have to choose one film out of
Of
the two.
Cocktail 1 and 2?
Yes.
No, dude, like Preetham said, yeah, it's like your children.
Both of them are your children.
Yeah, so I mean, you like one better on one day and you like one better on another day, but you love them both the same. Right now, I like Cocktail 2 more.
Yeah. What's your what is the thing that you're waiting for? You're most excited for people to see?
Oh, I just think we've is them, man. And right now the trailer, yeah.
The trailer.
The trailer, the very very banging trailer. It's
Yeah.
very sexy and different trailer. It's entertaining. It pulls at your heartstrings, and it's got fantastic music by the collaborators. Yeah. So we feel pretty good about this. I think we've got some good stuff going. Now talk to someone else, please.
Okay, big round of applause for Homie Ajania, ladies and gents. Yes. Yes, one more. Come on, guys. Big round of applause. Yes. Love, sir, can we talk to you, sir? Sir ji, aap batao. What is your what are you most excited about that you want people to see from this movie?
I'm scared
Ji, sir.
because the first Cocktail was written by Imtiaz Ali.
Okay.
Okay, I'm a huge fan of Imtiaz sir.
हाँ, sir.
And I told Dinu and homie that better make a good film. Because सबसे ज़्यादा गाली मुझे पड़ेगी कि ये होता है जब इम्तियाज अली को लवरंजन से रिप्लेस करते हो.
Got it.
So I want this to work so that I don't let him down.
Right, of course.
Right.
That's
I have to match up to the standards.
If you don't like anything, it's his fault.
और अगर ये ज़्यादा चली,
It's yours.
तो फिर भी
ये
problem
तो
है.
पिछली में भी थे दोनों.
Correct. Yeah, it's a spiritual sequel. The cast has changed, but Homie, Dinu, and Preetham Da have been constant in both the films. Ankur sir, what are you most excited about for people to see in the film as a producer on this film?
I haven't seen anything of the film. So
ठीक है.
before anyone sees it, I am very excited about seeing what is there, what Love has written, what Tarun has written. I'm also very excited about being associated with a brand like this.
Right, of course.
Yeah.
Okay.
Nobody has seen the film.
Right.
Omi has seen the film.
Okay, so sir, आपने भी ये दोनों गाने पहली बार देखे आज?
मैं गाने देख भी नहीं पाया, मैं पीछे खड़ा था।
लोग पीछे खड़े थे तो गाने
ओहो।
देख नहीं पाए हम लोग.
ओ तो आपने भी वोट भी नहीं दिया
हम तो
फिर?
सुन रहे थे।
वोट भी नहीं दिया हमने.
अरे lovely. Tarun sir, what about you? What are you most excited about? What do you want people to see?
आई थिंक सेम चीज, बस गाली ना पड़े कि पहले का काम खराब कर दिया.
हाँ.
इसमें डाउन साइड बहुत है. अपसाइड होगा कि चलो नाम बचा लिया,
Right, of course.
पर गड़बड़ हो गया तो गाली बहुत पड़ेगी.
हाँ.
Right, right. Okay. Dinu sir, what do you want to say a few words?
No, we've said enough, no?
You said enough.
I think we've said enough.
Are we ready
No,
for?
I can say one thing that a big, I think the soul of Cocktails actually, Preetam, because I don't think I enjoy doing music with anyone as much as I enjoy doing with him. We are also quite crazy because everything gets delayed, not because of him, but because of us. But I really feel that I wanted to push sound on this film, and I think Preetam has been instrumental in doing that. So this is a very, very new album. And one of the biggest victories for me is my first film was directed by Homi Adajania. And 20 years later, Cocktail 2 has been directed by the same gentleman. So I think,
Shahid, what are you most excited for people to see?
I'll take both.
To see in the film?
Yes. Which
Okay, let me just say that the most fun I had was working with Homi.
right.
And what Homi made the three of us do.
Yeah.
Because I feel that I haven't done something like this in a very long time.
Of course.
And I didn't know what to do when I came on this film. I actually said yes to the film even before hearing the story of it, because I really enjoyed his work and I loved the cast that they had put together. And I knew the sense of the film. And of course, me and Love met and he took me through the film. And then Homi's interpretation of the same script was so interesting to see how it was written and how I read it and how he saw it. And then what he made us do with it. And I always look to do something original and different. And I must say that I feel that Homi made me do something I didn't expect that I will do. And I think the way he made me and Kriti as characters come across, and then of course me and Rashmika for the first time, I had a blast on this film. I've loved every day on this set. I've had so much fun with everybody here who was on that set. And I think eventually that energy always shows in a film. And Cocktail 2 needs to be that. You know, you can't force that energy on a film. I'm guessing the first one also happened for the same reasons. Some things are just inherent and natural, and Homi just brings that out in everybody. So my takeaway from this film is the time I spent with him and what he did with the three of us.
Lovely.
Thank
As a director.
No, enough. Yeah.
Let's just hear only good things about you.
I think you all should say, like, spill some beans now.
Yeah.
Okay,
He's a real asshole.
Let's swang it.
It's a schwanger, yeah.
No, to be honest.
Other votes in? No, bus.
No, मैं इतनी कथा नहीं बोलूँगी. I can say. He really wants to go back home or what? No, he's not shy. He's sleepy. No, but to be honest, I think what Shahid just said, like we've just had a lot of fun and he's captured it. He used to always just ask us to, you know, just be, like just have fun, just be, and he used to tell me, don't think so much, and just be. And just have a hop and a skimp and a jump in your step. Yeah. But I think you bring that energy, Homi. I think we've had a blast, and like you said, even in Mashuka, we didn't know when the camera was rolling, and the way you shoot anything, I don't think we even imagine it to look that beautiful. And I think Cocktail
You guys
1
look that beautiful, yeah. You guys
Oh,
look that
guys, come on. Aur to banta hai yaar. Oh.
You know, since we're done like kissing each other, let's move on.
Oh.
Oh God, no.
No?
No.
Wait, let me be nice. Yeah, tomorrow, Japan. Okay, no, but first, for me though, definitely guys, this has been something extremely different, and I was surprised that I could do something like this, and this is only because of Homester, Homi. Why, we're so used to calling you Homester, is that, I know, but we're so used to calling him Homester. But genuinely, like I don't know if I'll be able to do a film like this again. I don't know if me in this film is definitely the best I could have, you know, ever portrayed Diya, but I've truly had fun. I've had a blast. It's super late in the night, and I understand all of us want to go have dinner and go to bed, but Homester, thank you. We love you.
Thank you. Love you guys.
Okay, now there's an actual vote here.
Yeah. Back to the song.
Yeah,
So
back-
I want it so that it's ekdam genuine. There are 144 votes. Okay, so we want one person from you. Who was screaming Jab Talak, Jab Talak? Who was that guy? चलो आप लोग एक बंदा नॉमिनेट करके भेजो, वही पढ़े. Exact vote with the live के ऐसा नहीं लगे हमने रिक किया है. Why don't you come? कम 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 यो किसी को भी भेजो यार, कौन आएगा?
आजा भाई, आजा 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 आजा.
अच्छा पीछे से आ जाओ, कोई तुम लोग को फोटो चाहिए? अरे ओपन दिस, लॉक हो गया. नो नो आई वोंट रीड. कम यू कम रीड इट. आ जाओ कम यू कम. Where's the phone? Open it. Give it to him. You should be honest, na? Hello. Chalo, read it.
How are you?
Neutral party, guys.
This is the how many votes? Now do it properly, huh? We've got you up and all.
So it's 144 votes in total. Kriti and Shahid's song has gotten 55.6%. And Rashmika and Shahid's song has gotten 44.4%. So it's Kriti and Shahid's song, guys.
Mashallah! Guys,
Let's go!
So basically कृति का स्टाफ 20 लोग का है. ऐसा मुझे लग रहा है. अगर 4-5 लोग कम कर दे तो 50-50 हो जाएगा. नहीं आपको क्या चीटिंग है? क्या होना चाहिए? अच्छा किसने वोट नहीं किया इसमें 144 में? नहीं किया ना? तो आप किसको दे रहे हो? दादा, they are singing both songs. You confirm? So right now we are going to launch.
दोनों गाने डाल दो, क्या फर्क पड़ता है?
नहीं बट वो इसको बोलना पड़ेगा. मैं ऐसा नर्वस हो रहा हूँ.
अरे प्रीतम ऐसे देख रहा है, ये फाइनल मिक्स नहीं था. ये शिट, दोनों गाने शिट.
आई थिंक दादा 20 लोग लेके आए थे. कि भाई देखना माशुका ही आए.
प्रीतम दा आपको कुछ बोलना है? Do you want to say something, sir?
What do you feel? Should we honor the vote or launch both because it's very close 46.
जब तक रीमिक्स लॉन्च कर देते हैं. वो तो हो ही गया होगा.
No, I think we should honor the votes. sorry, Rashmi.
दादा यू सो चीप.
I think, but
Guys,
what
guarantee
we
वो
can do-
20 लोग मेरे नहीं थे, वो दादा के थे.
दादा आपने बोला you have no favorites.
अरे नहीं भाई, you all launch whatever you want to. मेरे ऊपर मत डालो. No, I don't know any solution of this. I think हम लोग एक गाना अभी लॉन्च करके और इमीडिएटली और एक गाना लॉन्च कर सकते हैं, या एक साथ. आई डोंट यूनिवर्सल मार्केटिंग विल एग्री और नॉट. इतना क्लोज गाना 2 लॉन्च हो सकते कि नहीं?
दादा दोनों एक साथ कर देते हैं ना.
हाँ
दोनों एक साथ कर देते हैं.
दादा देखो एक्चुअली क्या हो गया है, इन लोगों ने दोनों गाने रिकॉर्ड कर लिए.
हाँ
तो अभी वो रॉन्ग मिक्स विथ डाउनग्रेडेड विजुअल्स, कौन से गाने को आप सैक्रिफाइस करने के लिए तैयार हो? नहीं तो दोनों ही लॉन्च कर दो ना. नहीं तो सब ऐसे उल्टे सीधे विजुअल के साथ.
मुझे सब मार्केटिंग नहीं आता है. आप लोग देख लो, जो लॉन्च होगा मेरे लिए ठीक है. Yeah, I think we should honor the vote.
डेफिनेटली इट वाज योर 20 पीपल.
But I just want to say, okay, one sec. Apart from the whatever, you are head of marketing, so you decide. But I just want to say I am very, very happy because I am working with Dinu after a very long time, with Maddock after a very long time, and our journey has been my journey with Dinu started in 2006, I think, and we have had a very, very special journey with a lot of great albums, which includes Homies Cocktail 1. And I'm just happy that I'm coming back working with Maddock after like how many years? Almost 9 years. Yeah. So I'm just looking forward to this album, and I had a blast. अभी album work करे कि नहीं करे, I don't know. एक तो I am super happy because I had a blast through the process. I think it's one of the loveliest process. We enjoy Sicily a lot, and I can guarantee that कितना commercial. ये album we will talk after 5 years. माने I'm sure ये उतना देर 5-6 years 10 years बाद आप लोग ये album के बारे में बात करेंगे.
And to celebrate 9 years, we will launch both songs. Say fast. Yes or no?
नहीं ये मैं नहीं ये आपका डिसीजन है. I think we should honor the vote. अरे वोट आया है भाई, सब दिया है. किसने वोट नहीं दिया?
No, listen, forget the mix. Yeah, we have to honor both the heroines. That's above everything. We have to honor both the
that I-
heroines.
that I
अभी
agree.
इसको टॉप करके दिखाओ.
नहीं ये तो you know
He's still trying to figure कि कैसे दोनों गाने एक साथ देने से निकलूं मैं.
अरे दोनों गाने एक साथ नहीं होता है यार. मार्केटिंग सही नहीं. मार्केटिंग सही है क्या? यू कैन डू इट.
सर मार्केटिंग
ऐसा करो, अच्छा होगा.
अरे नहीं होता है. एक लॉन्च करो उसके बाद एक करो.
आफ्टर हाउ मेनी डेज मांडवली कर लेते हैं. So Monday and Wednesday.
मंडे एंड थर्सडे.
So Monday and Thursday. ठीक है. Monday को माशूका, Thursday को तुझको. चलो डन. Locked. Everyone gets happy. चलो congratulations.
everybody. Yes.
थैंक यू एवरीबॉडी. अगर आप लोग नहीं होते तो दादा नेक्स्ट 10 दिन गाना नहीं देते. थैंक यू एवरीवन. थैंक यू फॉर कमिंग एंड हैव अ लवली
Thank you
evening.
guys. Thank you for being so patient.
photo,
Thank you
photo.
so much.
हाँ. Hello. One second. Guys. एक second. While you all are taking photos, राघव से माशूका गवाए. The singer is here. सुनना है आप लोग. हाँ ठीक है. Come राघव. Where are you राघव?
अभी ये हुआ था डिसीजन. अगर माशूका जीतेगा तो राघव और हरजोत जो सॉरी रुआ के अभी उसका नया नाम हो गया. रुआ के और राघव विल सिंग माशूका. अगर माशूका नीचे जाता तुझको जीतता तो आई हैड टू सिंग तुझको बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली अरिजीत इज नॉट हियर. सो चेक. सो आई विल कॉल. चल रहा है.
Guys, come on, big round of applause, guys. Talia, guys, come on. This is the cast. And they've given you both songs. गाइस एनर्जी डिप नहीं करना है.
Decide today which song to launch. How we are going to decide that, what we're going to do is the surprise for tonight. So मुझे लग रहा है पहले दोनों को बुला लें. थोड़ा आवाज करोगे तो ही आएंगे ना.
Dinesh sir.
I don't think they're happy. थोड़ा और बोलना पड़ेगा, थोड़ा और चिल्लाना पड़ेगा. चलो 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 चलो.
Hello. Hi Kriti. Hello. Welcome. Welcome. Hi.
Hello.
Hi Rashmika. Hello. Hi.
एक सेकेंड, ये दो हीरोइन हम लोग नाम सुनने की कोशिश कर रहे थे, बोला नहीं बोला, अब तक नहीं बोला. But guys, all of you, अरे हम फोटो दे देंगे भाई, फोटो दे देंगे.
किधर नहीं जा रहे हैं आपको फोटो?
यहीं पे हैं, बात तो सुन लो. सबसे पहले all of you, welcome to my song launch, guys.
You mean my song launch?
No, I mean my song launch. Actually, song आज मेरा वाला launch हो रहा है. इसका सिर्फ दिल रखने के लिए हम लोग दिखा रहे हैं यहाँ पे.
Oh, no, baby. My song now has a lot of heart in it. So I think they're doing you a favor to keep you cozy.
To keep me happy. Baby, I've done some 7 films with Mad Dog. This is my 8th. I don't think they need to keep me happy at all. I'm very happy.
Oh, no, but you know, after the box office numbers of Chhawa, I think the favoritism has changed a bit.
Favoritism changed. Yeah, I think Shahid bata sakta hai.
Yeah, Shahid,
Come. What do you think?
whose song launch is it?
Hi guys, what's up? I just got in, and I just want to say, ऐसे आज तक किसी ने डीनो सर के साथ बात नहीं की बेटा. I just want to say that welcome to my songs launch.
Hello, excuse me.
Excuse me?
You mean our song launch?
हाँ मतलब you're also
Yeah,
in.
I mean our song.
Yeah, you're
launch.
also in one.
Okay, you know
But
what?
I'm in both.
No, but tell us which song is your favorite?
Yeah. And who is your favorite?
Who
देखो,
is your
क्या
favorite?
है that usually ना मैं अपनी सारी पिक्चरें पहले ही देख लेता हूँ, but मुझे इस बार कुछ दिखाया ही नहीं गया है. So I think this is a question that only one man can answer. Dino,
No, I think you need to
Dino,
choose.
you must answer.
You need to
No,
choose.
Shahid, you need to choose.
You have to choose.
अच्छा एक काम करते हैं, ये बहुत मुश्किल होने वाला है with these two beautiful ladies next to me. मुझे लगता है आप सबको दिखा दो और उनको कौन सा बेटर लग रहा है, कौन सा पहले डालना है. I think let everybody decide ना, because
आप लोग डिसाइड करोगे कौन सा गाना लॉन्च होना चाहिए. पक्का. हाँ.
पहले कौन से दिखाएं?
अभी इस पे मत झगड़ा करो. हाँ.
नहीं देखो सीनियोरिटी वाइज इसकी 8 पिक्चरें हो चुकी है, तो पहला गाना तो इसका दिखा देना.
That's
चलो
what
ठीक
I
है.
agree.
The senior is calling me a senior.
नहीं
Nice, huh?
इन मैडक तेरा सीनियर कोई हो ही नहीं सकता.
Okay, wait. Should we start with Jab Talak? Like, can we watch it again? Because we three haven't
One
watched
second, I
it,
just want
watched
to
it
ask,
together.
can we watch it again? Okay, we can.
Can we? Oh, sorry.
Do we have it?
Yeah, you all will have to
Watched it
little bit
together,
more.
so I think that's a good start.
I think we'll have to move.
Should we just
Oh, yeah.
हाँ अब जाए हम लोग.
I'm side पे. Come.
शायद that's it.
Okay, we'll पे देखिए
Yeah.
ना.
Kriti, should we watch your song now? Yes?
I think we must. I was going to say it, but you said it.
Yes? तो अभी कृति का गाना चला देते हैं. Let's go for it, guys.
Oh,
Come on.
Shahid भी है उसमें, हाँ? कृति और
कृति-
Shahid.
Sorry, Shahid. But she's the main actor. Yeah.
इसके बाद मिलेंगे थोड़ा.
Okay.
प्यार में बिलीव करती हूँ, बस प्यार में बनने में बिलीव नहीं करती. जो जब तक है तब तक है.
Do the next song. Yes. Rashmika's song. Should we do Rashmika's song? Yes.
I love how you're still not taking Shahid's name.
Should we take Shahid's name? अगर
Of
आप लोग
course.
लेते हो तो फिर आप लोग ले सकते हो.
Of course.
It's Shahid and Rashmika's song and Shahid and Kriti's song. अभी Shahid और Kriti का गाना आप लोग ने देख लिया. Yes. Now we'll move on to the next song and we have to decide now, guys. ये बहुत tough है. मैंने दोनों देखा. ये बहुत tough है. मेरा भेजा खराब हो गया. Now you have to see. Big round of applause now for the next song with Shahid and Rashmika.